Glad to have you back. Today we are unboxing the OnePlus Nord CE6 5G, if you want to call it that. Before we can do that, let's see what is around this box. So as you can see, for the Nord variants, this is the standard blue and black packaging with the number 6 to indicate that this is the 6th variant of this Nord CE series. And then on the side of the box you have the name again. At the back you have all this information, and as you can see right here, this is the pitch black variant. So let's get right into the box, and to do that, simply turn it over just like that. Then you want to find this paper with this paper latch here, and you want to tear it open just like that and get right into removing this cover or this paper shielding just like that. Put that away. Now you have the box itself. Now, as you well know, this box is one that you slide through to remove the contents. So I'll just gently let that phone use its weight to come out of the box just like that. So then you can pull through just like that. And then right here you should see this case. And as you can see, it's the box that contains your charging cable and your standard paperwork just like that, with the SIM ejector tool right there and all this paperwork basically. And we'll put all these away for now. See what else is in the box. So as you can see, this is the phone itself. Use this latch to pull it out. So pull it out just like that, put it away for now, and see whether we have anything else inside this box. No, we don't. So I'll also put this away so that now we can focus on the phone. So let's get right into the phone. So tear this protective paper just like that and put it away. And as you can see, this is the pitch black variant, or the color scheme, the pitch black. So this phone basically comes in 3 colors: the fresh blue, the lunar pearl, and the pitch black. So this is the pitch black variant, and it's quite heavy, as I can feel it in my hand. It's quite weighty, and that I assume is because of the 8,000 milliampere battery. And at the back we have the minimalist camera with a nice finish. I quite like how the black complements in the minimalist style, and also the texture of the phone is not so bad. So you have your volume rockers, you have your power button right there. At the bottom you have your SIM tray, and you also have the 2 stereo speakers and the USB Type-C charging port. And that's basically it for the unboxing of this video. And this phone basically goes for around 357 bucks. And I'll be getting right into it, turning it on, setting it up, and making subsequent videos to show you how to do various things on this phone. No rocking, as you can see. But until then, stay subscribed. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and also subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.